All right, this is my first recording test. I've got the Elgato here to my right that I'm looking directly into right now. And then I've got my Canon Rebel T3 EOS camera on the left that I'm currently looking directly into. And we're going to do some movement, maybe some white hands, see how fast they adjust. Now, the biggest difference is my Canon's autofocus hasn't been working, so it's on manual focus. So you'll notice if I get too far towards the camera, I go out of focus. That's just a side effect of using an older camera. I upgraded to the Elgato face cam because upgrading to a new DSLR just wasn't in the books with all the upgrades I'm doing around the office right now. But I also wanted to be able to have that crisp, clear edge. And with a broken autofocus, the clear edge when I have the green screen behind me leads to a little bit of bleed through. I also really wanted to see a higher resolution face. Let me know. Do you prefer the Canon DSLR or do you prefer the Elgato face cam? Drop your comments down below. Let's see what you think.